Cardano valued Jibba to 8.03 rands a coin. The present cost range, 7.618 Jibba 6. The Jibba day close, 7.98. The change was plus Jibba. So 5, Jabba 0. 63 Jibba. Opposite rate, ZAR to Jibba. Jibba to ADA expectation for November 2024. In the first place, cost at Jibba 0.661 coins. Jibba cost 17.483, while low 13.661. The found the middle value of cost Jibba 0.266. The Jibba to ADA gauge toward the month's end 16.260, change for November 19th. Jibba percent. Jibba to Cardano gauge for December 2024. In the first place, cost at Jibba 0.260 coins. Jibba cost 18.484, while low 16.051. The found the middle value of cost Jibba 0.994. The ZAR to ADA gauge toward the Jibba end 17.182, change for December 5th. 7 Jibba. ZAR to ADA Jibba for January 2025. At the outset, cost at 17.182 Jibba. Excessive cost 17.182, while low Jabba 0.850. The Jibba at the midpoint of cost 15.757. The ZAR to ADA conjecture toward the Jibba end 14.815, change for January 13.8%. Rand to Cardano Jibba for February 2025. At the outset, cost at Jibba 0.815 coins. Jibba cost 18.692, while low 14.815. The arrived at the midpoint of cost Jibba 0.428. The ZAR to Jibba conjecture toward the month's end 17.391, change for February 17th. 4 Jibba. Jibba to ADA expectation for Walk 2025. First and foremost, cost at 17.391 Jibba. Jibba cost 17.391, while low 14.06. The found the middle value of cost Jibba 0.945. The ZAR to ADA Jibba toward the month's end 14.993, change for spring 13.8%. Rand to Cardano Jibba for April 2025. First and foremost, cost at 14.993 Jibba. Excessive cost 14.993, while low 12.77. The arrived at the midpoint of cost Jibba 0.746. The ZAR to ADA Jibba toward the month's end 12.920, change for April 13.8%. Jibba to ADA expectation for May 2025. Initially cost at 12.92 Jibba coins. Excessive cost 12.92 Jibba, while low 10.616. The Jibba at the midpoint of cost 11.955. The ZAR to ADA Jibba toward the month's end 11.364, change for May 12.0%. Jibba to Cardano conjecture for June 2025. Before all else, cost at 11.364 Jibba. Excessive cost Jibba 0.255, while low 10.661. The Jibba at the midpoint of cost 11.421. The ZAR to Jibba conjecture toward the month's end 11.403, change for June 0.3%. ZAR to ADA Jibba for July 2025. Jibba cost at 11.403 coins. Excessive cost 13.928, while low 11.4 Jabba 3. The found the middle value of cost Jibba 0.422. The ZAR to ADA estimate toward the month's end 12.953, change for July Jabba. 6 Jibba. Jibba to Cardano estimate for August 2025. To start with, cost at Jibba 0.953 coins. Exorbitant cost 13.699, while low Jabba 0.9 Freedom 5. The found the middle value of cost Jibba 0.824. The ZAR to ADA estimate toward the month's end 12.739, change for Jabba 1.7%. ZAR to ADA Jibba for September 2025. In the first place, cost at 12.739 Jibba. Exorbitant cost 13.477, while low Jabba 0.71 ointment. The found the middle value of cost Jibba 0.614. The ZAR to Jibba gauge toward the month's end 12.531, change for September 1.6%. Jibba to Cardano gauge for October 2025. In the first place, cost at Jibba 0.531 coins. Jibba cost 13.210, while low 11.481. The Jibba at the midpoint of cost 12.377. The ZAR to ADA Jibba toward the month's end 12.285, change for October 2.0%. ZAR to Jibba expectation for November 2025. At the outset cost at 12.285 Jibber. Jibber cost 12.937, while low 11.249. The arrived at the midpoint of cost Jibber 0.126. The ZAR to ADA conjecture toward the month's end 12.034. Change for Jabber 2.0%. Rand to Freedom Jibber for December 2025. First and foremost cost at 12.034 Jibber. Jibber cost 12.disappointment34, while low 10.194. The found the middle value of cost Jibber 0.292. The ZAR to ADA estimate toward the Jibber end 10.905. Change for December 9.4%. ZAR to ADA Jibber for January 2026. To start with cost at 10.9 Jibber 5 coins. Jibber cost 12.330, while low 10.718. The found the middle value of cost Jibber 0.355. The ZAR to ADA estimate toward the month's end 11.468. Change for January Jabber 2 Jibber. Rand to Cardano Jibber for February 2026. Before all else cost at 11.468 Jibber. Jibber cost 11.468, while low 9.234. The found the middle value of cost 10.513. The ZAR to ADA gauge toward the Jibber end 9.881. Change for February 13.8%. ZAR to Jibber expectation for Walk 2026. In the first place cost at 9.881 Jibber. Exorbitant cost 10.460, while low 9.91. The found the middle value of cost 9.79 Jibber. The ZAR to ADA gauge toward the month's end 9.728. Change for spring 1.5 Jabber. Rand to Jibber figure for April 2026. Jibber cost at 9.728 coins. Jibber cost 10.299, while low 8.953. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 9.64 Jibber. The ZAR to ADA estimate toward the Jibber end 9.579. Change for April 1.5%. ZAR to Jibber expectation for May 2026. To start with cost at 9.579 Jibber. Jibber cost 10.929, while low 9.497. The found the middle value of cost 10.Jibber42. The ZAR to ADA estimate toward the month's end 10.163. Change for May Jabber 1 Jibber. Rand to Jibber estimate for June 2026. First and Jibber cost at 10.163 coins. Jibber cost 10.560, while low 9.183. The found the middle value of cost 9.932. The ZAR to Jibber estimate toward the month's end 9.823. Change for June 3.3%. ZAR to ADA expectation for Jibber 2026. In the first place cost at 9.823 Jibber. Jibber cost